Hi, I'm Susan, and this is what I'm making today. You want to take 1 cup of Italian breadcrumbs and put them into a dish. I find using a pie plate works great for this. Into your other dish, you want to add 1 egg, a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. You want to whisk this together really well. And in a frying pan, you want to be melting 2 to 4 tablespoons of butter. I started off with 2 and then added 2 for my next batch. Now you want 6 boneless, skinless chicken breast halves. I ended up with 7 because that's just what I had. So I just went ahead and cooked the extra one. But you dredge it through your egg mixture, and then you dredge it through your breadcrumbs, and then you brown it in the butter. Now I sprayed my crock pot, and I just went ahead and browned both sides of my chicken. You don't want it to cook through. You just want to get that brown coating. And once it gets done, you put it into your crock pot. Now my recipe calls for a 14-ounce jar of pizza sauce, but I always use marinara on my pizza, so I had some marinara in the refrigerator left, which I figured would be about 14 ounces. And I just added that on top of my chicken. And I lifted up the chicken to make sure the chicken underneath got some on. And you want to cook it on low for 6 to 8 hours. I believe mine cooked for a little over 6 hours. And now you want to layer your mozzarella cheese over the top of that. Now it called for slice, but I already had the block, so I grated that. And then you want to sprinkle Parmesan over that, and I like fresh Parmesan. And here's how it turned out. It was so good. My husband said this was another winner. You can serve this with pasta. I did not have any pasta, so I just made chicken flavored rice and served it with that. And I add a little bit of Italian seasoning in my rice to go with the Parmesan. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.